Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on comments from no one on the application of TikTok. To know how to turn on comments from no one on the application of TikTok, you should just go to TikTok here and you will click. After that, in this page, as you see, you will go to this window profile and you will click. When you will see this page, you will go to above and you will click in this sign. Then you will go to settings and privacy. When you will see this page, you will go to privacy. Then here in this page, you will go to comments. After that, you will go to comments here, and then you will click no one. Then you can know how to turn on comments from no one on the application of TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.